guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install, wash, condition, define the curls on this particular wig. I am really excited. It's something totally different, guys. The wig is braided and I'm here for it. By the way, guys, this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So guys, this is the packaging from Luvme Hair. It is purple and gold, my two favorite colors. They are beautiful. Okay, so let me show you guys what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. You know, little goodies. First thing that you're gonna get is this storage bag, which is written Luvme Hair, and then a scarf which is also written Luvme Hair. Guys, everything is really branded. My personal favorite, you guys, it is a mirror. This is a Luvme Hair mirror. It is also branded, as you guys can see, and this is a brush to lay your edges. And of course, you're going to receive a booklet with instructions on how to take care of your hair correctly. I'm obsessed, guys. Let me just show you the braids. Let me show you what the braids are doing. The braids are like, yo, you guys, look at this. Look at the braids. I am so excited to try this on, you guys. Look at the curls. Oh my goodness, it's not even outside the net yet, and I'm already too excited. This is literally straight out of the box, and the wig is already shiny. This is how it looks, and let me show you how it looks inside. It has 4 combs, 2 adjustable straps, and my personal favorite, an extra band so that you can secure your wig. I'm really excited about this wig, you guys. And as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory. So I'm going to install this wig. After a couple of days, I'm going to wash it, condition it, and define the curls, and show you all the products to take care of your curls. I'm really excited, you guys. So stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. All right, so let's quickly install this wig and see how it looks. I know it's gonna look amazing. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information. I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso 20. You are going to get yourself 20% off when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company, period.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a vibe when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting. an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the.
Now the next portion of the video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to wash, condition and define the curls, baby. Basically how to take care of your curls. All right, so I'm really excited. Let's get straight into it.
It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
The text on XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down, don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. If you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig, please do not forget to check the description box down below. There is a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso20. You're going to get yourself 20% off when you purchase this gorgeous wig, or basically any other wig from Love Me Hair Company. Period. I'm loving these curls. I'm looking really different. I'm looking really good. I love it. I love this hair. Yes. These curls are curling. These curls are doing what they're supposed to be doing, you guys. Look at the quality, guys. Look at that. I love them. I love them so much. I'm happy. I'm impressed. I'm really obsessed with these curls, the hair, the texture, the shininess, the bounciness of these curls. I am really obsessed, you guys. I'm happy. I'm impressed. Until next time, you guys. Bye bye.